everyone, and welcome to today's Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name's Lana, and today I'll be looking at using AI to support multimodal storytelling in the classroom. AI is opening up new possibilities for storytelling and story-based activities, helping us achieve things that seemed impossible or technically challenging before. It allows us to move beyond traditional text-based lessons, blending text, images, sound, and animations into stories to create richer learning experiences. Yet, generative AI isn't a quick fix or a one-size-fits-all solution. It's just one of many tools in our ever-growing toolkit that builds on our pedagogy and expertise. How we use it depends on our learners, their needs, and what we want to achieve. In this session, we'll explore generative AI tools and how they can support multimodal storytelling. It's not about using every tool or cramming as many modes as possible into a lesson. It's about finding the right mix that supports the learning experience without overwhelming learners. We'll look at AI tools that can generate everything, from images and animations to voiceovers and music. But our focus is not on showcasing cool tech or specific platforms or apps. We'll discuss how to use these tools to the end of better learning. Too much can be distracting, so we'll aim to strike a balance between engagement and relevance, ensuring that the learning process remains effective and focused on achieving learning objectives. You'll also receive a practical workflow for creating new multimodal storytelling resources, along with strategies to enhance and complement your existing story-based activities. I hope this session will give you fresh ideas and practical strategies for using AI to create learning experiences that resonate with your learners while keeping things simple and meaningful. I hope you can join us. Really looking forward to seeing you there.